Hello and welcome back to our channel. Let's make a character in Emochi. First of all, launch your application, get logged into your account. Now you will see a plus button, go ahead and tap onto it. Under create character, you will see two options. If you would like to type each and everything manually, go for expert mode. But if it's your first time, tap on quick mode. Under this mode, you will be, given each and everything so that you do not have to type each and everything manually. So here, type in the character definition, upload an image, and select the image style. Once you're done, tap continue. So my character was something fairy, so this is what it looks like. If you have already uploaded the image, you will not be able to see this page. If you just skip the image adding steps, you will see a page like this. I'm gonna go with this image right here, then tap on next. Now this is what the character will look like. Under name, this is by default, but you may go ahead and change it. So I'm gonna just add the first name, Lyra, and leave that as it is. On the intro, you may go ahead, change it as well. Each and everything is done for you by default. You can also make this character public or private according to your preference. Under voice, tap on narration and simply select one that you would prefer. So under character, select the one you would prefer. If you would like to, let's say, hear it first, tap on this button right here. Now as you do that, you're going to have to simply tap on next. Now, all you have to do is tap on publish if you're satisfied with the above prompt. After a couple of while, the AI character will be generated. Now I'm going to type in hi and then send. If you would like to, let's say, some voice chat, you can also tap on the voice icon right here. So this is what it looks like. You may go ahead, try it yourself. Thank you for watching.